Healthy Forever presents Benefits of Eating 2 Eggs a Day. Everyone looks for that one magical food to add to their diet that will drastically change their health for the better. People look for these sorts of foods on the internet and in food journals day in and day out. But many of these curious people forget to look at what is in their fridge right now, because that magical food that is so sought after is actually right in front of your face and only has 3 letters in it. This food is called an egg. The benefits of eating eggs are boundless. Eating 1 a day is good, but eating 2 a day is what you should really aim for. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips and smash the like button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. So what are the benefits of eating 2 eggs a day? Eggs have a number of benefits, so let's go through a few. For one, an egg is very nutritious. A single boiled egg has an incredible amount of nutrients in it, such as vitamin A, folate, vitamin B5, vitamin B12, vitamin B2, phosphorus, and selenium. I would mention all of them, but I don't want to bore you. A single egg goes a long way regarding the health of your body. I mean, it can almost be considered the perfect food by how many nutrients it contains. Added together, all the nutrients in a single egg can help prevent certain types of cancers, help with your eyes and skin, garner a healthy immune system, and even supports healthy bones. So imagine eating 2 eggs a day. Double the benefits. But the health benefits don't even stop at the nutrients. 2 eggs a day can even raise the good cholesterol in your body, which is called HDL, high-density lipoprotein. A multitude of studies has even shown that 2 eggs a day are connected with lower risks of heart disease. And in the world of rising heart attacks and worsening blood pressure, we have to take what we can get when it comes to preventing heart issues. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 big fancy words, I know, in eggs have been shown to drastically improve eye health. So if you want to take as many safety precautions as possible to protect those eyes of yours, starting with 2 eggs a day sure would not hurt. Eggs may even lower your chances of suffering through a stroke. I mean, eggs are really just the magical food everyone looks for, but they are also the food that people tend to look past. Conclusion: we have to take what we can get when it comes to staying healthy in today's world. Many people try to aim for healthy choices with certain vitamins or fancy drinks and just miss the mark completely. Some people also force themselves to eat things that they just do not enjoy, only for the health benefits. But very few people take a look at an egg and say, "This food could make me dramatically healthier." And to be honest, people need to start realizing that about their eggs. Now, you don't have to pick up your egg and talk to it, saying, "Yes, you are a good little egg that will make me healthier." But you do need to start eating at least 2 eggs a day. The benefits are innumerable and you will not regret it. Now go get to cooking a couple of eggs for yourself. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.